Moomoo Financial Platform Honest Review Watch Before Using. In this video, we'll provide you with an honest review of the Moomoo Financial Platform, so be sure to check the description below for links to the product. Moomoo is a commission-free trading app designed primarily for beginner and intermediate investors who want to trade stocks, ETFs, and options with ease. One of its standout features is the advanced charting tools and real-time data, which provide a comprehensive view of the markets. It also offers a user-friendly interface, making it simple for those new to investing to navigate and execute trades effectively. Moomoo is built for tech-savvy investors who appreciate the need for in-depth analysis and research. It offers access to a wealth of financial news, market insights, and community features where users can share their experiences and strategies. The platform provides tools like paper trading, which allows you to practice without risking real money. An excellent way for newcomers to build their confidence before entering the market. Another significant advantage of Moomoo is its stock screener, which helps users filter stocks based on various criteria, enabling informed trading decisions. While Moomoo is highly appealing, it's important to note that, like any trading platform, it comes with its risks, especially for those who may not fully understand the intricacies of trading options or the stock market. Therefore, it's crucial to invest time in education and strategy before diving in. In conclusion, Moomoo is a robust platform with a range of features that cater to both novice and experienced traders. If you're looking for a reliable way to manage your investments and engage with a community of like-minded individuals, Moomoo might be worth considering. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Your support helps us provide useful information to others. Thank you for watching.